So there is a thing called fact. Then there is a truth. My truth and your truth is different. And then there is a story which is weaved in terms of narrative. Why have we failed? Number of things we face civilization, and we don't. In civilization of Bharat, humors were always present in that time also. But everybody said कि सच बहुत महान है, वो हमेशा बाहर आएगा. It will resonate over a period of time. So that is how we lived. So that is in our DNA. सच के ऊपर हमारा इतना faith है, सच्चाई और अच्छाई के ऊपर कि वो सही हो जाएगा. But when you're living in that bad world of the today's world, which is materialistic, which is technology based, which is fighting for space, which is fighting with each other, then possibly जो civilization faith है, वो रख करके हम आगे भी evolve होंगे. So such is important, but वो सच बताना भी बहुत important है. And that transition is not taking place. It is part of our DNA. हम जीत गए, सबको मालूम चल जाएगा. But in the today's AI driven, algorithm driven environment, सच जो हमारा बच्चा है, he is going to type that what happened in Operation Sindoor, how is Bharat civilization, हमारे पूर्वज कैसे थे. AI में तो आएगा नहीं. AI में यही आएगा, brown people, silly people, fighting, caste आएगा, रंग आएगा, भेद आएगा, language आएगा. Everything which is negative will come. But सच कौन बताएगा? So we need to talk about the truth also, and we need to sell our stories as well. Therefore, there is much more required to come out, and this is where our failure is. So the government, we as people, have to talk about it. It cannot be government run. It is people like me and you. We need to go back and we need to type number of times. Everybody should be on Twitter, Instagram, whichever handle is there. 1.4 billion people can run a positive narrative. The passport of India in last 14 years has changed in its power. Right? Everybody needs to get it. This is not because of such. It is not because of fact that we were always good. It is okay. I don't want to give the credit to this government or something, because suddenly it'll become a. But the fact is that this gentleman has gone around selling a pitch. यहाँ बैठे बैठे रोते हुए से नहीं होगा. You need to go out and bat for it.
Narrative is sold that in America military is very powerful. They drive. Every president who comes up has always served in army, and therefore he's a great president. It's got a good plan. Every time when you fly, somebody will come up and hold hands and say कि हमारे साथ बहुत चल रहा है. There are instances which happen. It doesn't happen that every time a Fauji is traveling this thing and the air hostess will come out, and I'm sure you must have flown, everybody's flown. There are Faujis who are flying. It doesn't happen. But yes, movies are made, narratives are set. The military is pushed to be the icons of the country more because they go and fight outside the country. They don't fight inside the country or around the borders. They are always staying abroad. So it's a great pull and prestige for abroad. And this historical.